Hello everyone, this is Nikita and you are watching Home Hype. So we are here standing in sector 36A in front of the Krisumi Saints launch. So let's know about their projects in detail. Stay with us till the end of this video and we will brief you about their projects. So guys, today we are gonna talk about their new launch, that is Waterside Residences. So what's the most important thing while you are selecting the location where you want to invest in? Yes, it's connectivity. So अगर connectivity की बात करें, so this project bangs on in the heart of Gurgaon, that is sector 36A. So आपको गुड़गांव के किसी भी prime location पे पहुंचना है, so it will take hardly 20 to 25 minutes to reach there. It connects all the way throughout the Gurgaon. So this project bangs on Dwarka Expressway and as well as Center Peripheral Road. If I talk about Sona Road, तो आप सोना रोड को सिर्फ 10 से 15 मिनट में कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. राजीव चौक को आप सिर्फ 10 मिनट में कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट मेट्रो स्टेशन, तो हुड्डा सिटी मेट्रो स्टेशन यहाँ से सिर्फ 15 मिनट की दूरी पे है. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट IGI एयरपोर्ट, तो आप 20-25 मिनट में वहाँ भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. So guys, right now we are standing in the front of the model of the project. So let's give you a brief about that. So this is Krisumi's first project. ये 7,500 रुपए में लॉन्च हुआ था and its resale price is around 20,000 per square feet. So this one is totally sold out. Today we are gonna talk about this project. So 23,000 per square feet में इसकी limited inventory available है and the whole project is spread into 33 of acres. And you can see these stars. These are available in 2 LDK, 2 LDK plus servant, 3 LDK, 3 LDK plus servants. तो इन वेरिएंट में आपको ये अपार्टमेंट साइज मिल जाएगा. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट there is a studio apartment there जहाँ पे आपको 1 RKs मिल जाएंगे, which is almost fully booked. So let's talk about the configuration of this project. ये अपार्टमेंट्स आपको 2 LDK और 3 LDK के वेरिएंट्स में मिल जाएंगे, जिसमें आपको 2 LDK प्लस सर्वेंट, 3 LDK एंड 3 LDK प्लस सर्वेंट मिल जाता है. अगर इसकी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन की बात करें तो 2 LDK आपको अराउंड 1740 स्क्वायर फीट्स में मिल जाता है. 2 LDK प्लस सर्वेंट आपको 1925 टू 1964 स्क्वायर फीट्स में मिल जाता है. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट 3 LDK, तो वो आपको 2260 स्क्वायर फीट्स में मिल जाता है. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट 3 LDK प्लस सर्वेंट, तो वो आपको 2700 स्क्वायर फीट में मिल जाता है. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द कैच ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट. The major thing, the most interesting part of this project is its clubhouse. This clubhouse will be spreaded in large 1.62 lakh square feet. Yes guys, you are hearing it right. So with clubhouse, they provide us with world-class amenities. Amenities की बात करें तो they are providing swimming pools, gymnasiums, spa rooms, salons, multiplexes, many more. So this is all you would be getting in this project. And if you like this project, do invest in it. Let's talk about the Krisumi Group. It's a joint venture between India and Japan. So it's a joint venture between Krishna Group and Japanese Sumitomo Corporation. Let's talk about the Krishna Group. Krishna Group is leader in automobile industry in India. And if I talk about Sumitomo Corporation, so as you know, Japanese excel in lifestyle, luxury and other things. So this project is all about luxury, your living, and when you can get all the things in one place, in one project. So इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में जितना हो सकता है, I have briefed about it. So thank you for being with me till the end of this video. For more updates, stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.